Hi! Next we will bind off the body stitches. I will be using Jenny's surprisingly stretchy bind off. Knit the first stitch. Put the working yarn in front of the needle and purl the next stitch. Pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. Wrap the yarn around the needle and knit the next stitch. Pull the first 2 stitches over the last stitch. So to bind off, we always make a yarn over, then knit or purl the next stitch and pull the first 2 stitches of the needle over the last stitch. If the next stitch is a knit stitch, we make the yarn over by wrapping the yarn once around the needle. If the next stitch is a purl stitch, we simply put the working yarn in front of the needle to make the yarn over. Continue like that until you have reached the end of the round. I will show you a few more stitches before I speed this up. Once you only have 1 stitch left, you can cut the yarn and pull it through the last stitch. Next, we will add the sleeves. Put the 34 stitches onto 3 DPNs or onto a circular needle. Put 9 stitches on the first needle, the 16 stitches of the garter stitch section on the second needle, and the remaining 9 stitches on the third needle. First, knit across all of the stitches. Pick up 8 stitches from the body at the underarm. I like to pick up the first and the last stitch by inserting the left needle into the corner and knitting the picked up stitch through the back loop. I find that this is the best way to avoid any gaps in the corners. I will pick up 2 more stitches because I feel like this is quite a long section for just 8 stitches. Set a marker in the middle of the picked up stitches to mark the new beginning of the round. In the next round, purl the garter stitch section and knit the rest of the stitches. On the fourth needle, I will decrease the 2 extra stitches that I picked up in the previous round. If you only picked up 8 stitches, you will knit the stitches without working any decreases. In the next round, knit all of the stitches. Continue working the sleeve while maintaining the garter stitch section until the sleeve is about 10 centimeters long. So in the first round, knit across all of the stitches, and in the second round, purl the stitches of the garter stitch section. Then repeat those 2 rounds until the sleeve is 10 centimeters long. In the next video, I will show you how to finish the sweater. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon!